Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Hannalei Elementary School, home of the Stingrays in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. And my second visit now for the 2023-2024 school year for the AM/PM after school program. Just another beautiful afternoon. The kids are so respectful. It's a true blessing, getting to come and speak to them each time. A lot of them remember when I've come previous visits, and we keep building on what we spoke on before. And today's focus was diversity, which is our differences could be on the outside or on the inside of someone. Have to appreciate both, right? But also the need for human kindness. Like you see on the screen, this is a design that my friend and I created a couple years back. You see the peace sign inside the heart. That's where peace has to begin. But there's also two people inside, because kindness isn't just about giving it to ourselves or showing that self-love, self-respect, but then giving that out towards other people around us. And it's so important that we do show this kindness, because if you show kindness to whoever it is, it may not just be that one person or group of people. It could be anyone else that sees or hears that kind word or sees that kind action, right? That really, it starts to affect their heart in a positive way. So through a series of heartfelt stories, a couple inspirational videos, some powerful music. We did a hand motion rap and a regular hip hop song too. They really did understand that, right? And you could just tell, like the focus level, some of the head nods, them, when they close their eyes, point to themselves. Usually 8 out of 10 people point to our heart. And sometimes that's the only thing people remember you for, want to remember you for, is your heart, but only if you're doing acts of kindness and acts of love. Ties into the quote by Dr. King that, he has this dream, had this dream, and is still alive, of course, today, that his four children will live in a nation where they're not judged by the color of their skin or anything else, but by the content of their character. And I really did try to focus on that today too with the presentation, just saying, look, content of our character is who we are, how we treat ourselves and others. It's our heart, it's our actions. And hopefully we can not only show the unconditional love to self and others, but also see everyone for this too, including ourselves. I bring this up in all my topics, all my programs, but all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. I trace one of mine here again. Just like the front of my shirt, this M stands for miracle. Upside down W, it stands for worthy, right? And there's been a lot of students lately that have come up to me and said, Mr. Peace, I don't even appreciate my own diversity, my own differences. When I look in the mirror, I don't really like the reflection. And it breaks my heart to hear that, that they don't think that they're beautiful. But all of us are unique and beautiful in our own ways. And like some students that shared with me after the assembly today, Mr. Peace, I'm getting bullied because of my sight, because I have to wear glasses. And I'm like, look, you can't control how you're born, right? And someone that's taller or skinnier or wider or whatever it is, shorter, in a wheelchair or not, if they're a different skin color or not, if they eat different food, speak a different language, it doesn't matter. We can always choose to accept. And the moment we do rise above that hate and try to show that love, we start to change this world. And that's what we talked about, just one act of kindness at a time. So thank you so much for touching my heart again. I'll see you all again in the spring. Can't wait to be back. And until then, if something did touch your heart, keep sharing that gift of love and kindness. This world needs a lot more of it for sure. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.